Good morning, children. Good morning. How are you all? Did you read the poem, children? My Trip to the Moon. And also imagine that you have gone to the moon. Yes, how many of you have imagined that you have gone to the moon? Yes, very good. Many of us imagine and we also wish to go to the moon. Yes? Have you all read the poem, children? Thoroughly? Every one of you? Very good. See. Yes, children, look at the picture. What do you see? It is a moon. It is the moon we have to see. It is the moon. Can you see the moon? It is the Earth satellite. Yes, we can go on the moon. Can we walk on the moon? No, we can't walk on the moon because there is no gravitational force on the moon. Gravitational force means it pulls us towards the Earth. There is no gravitational force on the Earth. Okay, what do you see in this picture? What do you see, children, in this picture? It is an astronaut. We can see an astronaut in the picture. Who is an astronaut? A person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft. Training will be given for this person to travel in a spacecraft. Yes? Then what did you see in the poem? Here we have spoken about a boy who is going to write his science exam next day. I was sitting alone in my house studying the structure of a mouse. He was preparing for his exam, but suddenly he heard a loud burst outside. What did he see there? He saw that there was an astronaut and he was full of fright. Fright means fear in white, and he asked him to come to the moon. There they reached by afternoon and jumped around. As we couldn't walk on the ground, they could not walk on the ground on the moon. It is just revision, children. You have to listen carefully and answer the questions that follow. It was a lot of fun. Okay, he reached there before night. He reached moon. Then they enjoyed, and before the sunset they came back to the earth, and he reached his home. And his science test went very well. But till now, no one knows how did he prepare for the science test. And that secret dwells inside him. That the secret lives inside him. So, children, read the poem thoroughly and answer the questions that are given. Let's see once. My trip to the moon. I was sitting alone in my house studying the structure of a mouse. My exams were going on and science I hadn't done. Suddenly the lights went out, then I heard a loud burst. Someone was there outside. I went out to look full of fright. I saw a huge rocket and an astronaut in white. He invited me on a flight to the moon. We reached there by afternoon. We jumped around as we couldn't walk on the ground. It was a lot of fun. I reached home before the setting sun. My science test went very well, but no one knows the secret, which even inside me dwells. Dwells means live. Yes, children? Now answer the following questions after reading the poem. Do you think the child really went to the moon? Do you think, children, the child really went to the moon? No, the child didn't go to the moon. Or no, the child really didn't go to the moon. What was the child's feeling about his trip to the moon? The child was very happy. It's natural that we'll be happy. Why couldn't the astronaut and the child walk on the moon? Why couldn't they walk, children? Because there is no gravitational force. How would you feel if you were in his place? I would feel top of the world. I would feel very, very happy. Now, if you were given a chance, which planet would you visit? Your wish, children. Any planet you can write. Can you guess the secret that dwells inside the child's mind? Yes. The secret that dwells inside the child's mind is that he went to the moon. Okay, children, is it clear? Now, your work is to write the answers to these questions after reading the poem, children. Complete the work. Meet you in next class, children. Take care. Thank you.